Welcome to Peak Learners Hub. Subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Hello students, welcome to the next session of science. Today I am here with the topic types of teeth. So, we like to eat different things. Some of us like sweets like chocolates, pastries, cakes, etc. And some of us prefer eating sour things like pickles and chutneys. So, how do we taste our food? Students, we can taste our food with our tongue. When we put some food in our mouth, we know whether we like it or not because we are able to taste it. We can tell if it is sweet, salty, bitter, or sour. We taste the food with our tongue. The front, back, and sides of our tongue are covered with little bumps. These bumps are called papillae and have taste buds with tiny nerves and send messages to the brain. Our brain immediately tells us the taste of what is in our mouth. So students, do you know that our tongue helps us to swallow the food and also helps us to talk? Now students, I am going to discuss with you our teeth. So, we grow two sets of teeth in our lifetime. A set of milk teeth and a set of permanent teeth. As children, we have a set of 20 teeth. These are called milk or primary teeth. They begin to fall at the age of 6 years. They are replaced by new teeth which grow in their place from the gums. These are our permanent teeth. This new set has a total of 32 teeth. There are 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. If we eat a healthy and balanced diet and brush our teeth regularly, our teeth will stay healthy. So students, how do teeth help us? Teeth help us to bite and chew food. Food can be digested well only when it has been chewed well. Teeth help us to speak clearly. They also give shape to our face. As people grow old, they lose their teeth and as a result, sometimes the shape of their face changes. Now students, I am going to discuss with you types of teeth. A permanent set of teeth has 4 kinds of teeth depending on their shape and what they are meant to do. So first one is incisors. Incisors are a set of 8 teeth, 4 in each jaw. They are flat and thin and used for biting and cutting food. Second is canines. Canines are a set of 4 teeth, 2 teeth in each jaw. They are sharp and pointed and used for tearing food, for taking a hard bite. Third is premolars. Premolars are a set of 8 teeth, 4 teeth in each jaw. They are broad, flat and thick and used for crushing and grinding food. Fourth is molars. Molars are a set of 12 teeth, 6 in each jaw. They are broader, flatter and thicker than premolars. They are used for grinding and chewing food. All these teeth work together to break the food into small pieces that are easier for us to swallow and digest. Now students, I am going to discuss with you different animals and their teeth. Most animals have teeth. The type of teeth they have depends on the kind of food they eat. Some animals eat plants which are called herbivorous. Some eat flesh which are called carnivorous. And some eat both plants and flesh are called omnivorous. Plant eaters such as horses, cows, and deer have many grinding teeth to crush the stems, grasses, and seeds they eat. They do not have tearing teeth. With their flat front teeth, they cut away leaves and stems. Their back teeth are broad and used for grinding and chewing. They grind their food between the lower and upper grinding teeth, which are called molars, by moving their lower jaw in a circular motion. Cattle first swallow all they eat and later sit down and bring back the food into the mouth to chew it slowly. This is called chewing the cud. Meat eaters like lions and tigers eat the meat and flesh of other living animals. Their tearing teeth, canines, are very sharp. They use their front teeth to bite and hold, while long canines are used for tearing flesh. They also use their claws to grip their prey. They mainly swallow the chunks of meat. Hence, they have sharp molars which are used for slicing and not for grinding or crushing. Animals like bears eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Therefore, they have a combination of sharp front teeth and grinding teeth at the back. Their teeth are more like ours. Rodents are animals that gnaw at their food. With their two pairs of sharp, narrow, razor-like teeth, they gnaw at nuts, berries, etc. Some examples of rodents are squirrels, rabbits, hares, mice, and rats. Their teeth keep wearing off and growing all their lifetime. Elephants use their tusks to dig for roots and bark of trees. They also use them to fight with other animals. So students, this was all about the different types of teeth of animals. Hope the video will be informative for you. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.